In this video, we are going to learn about the concept of multiplication and its properties. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition of the same addend. Or we can say that when we add the same number twice or more than twice, then the process is called multiplication. Consider the following example. You can see 4 bags of balls, and in each bag there are 3 balls. If you are asked to find how many balls are there altogether, what will you do? You will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, the total of which is equal to 12 balls. What did you do here? You added 3 4 times. This is called repeated addition of the same addend, and here the addend is 3. Instead of adding 3 4 times, we can write 4 times 3, which is also written as 4 into 3. So now have you understood how we changed repeated addition of 3 into multiplication of 3? Instead of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, we have written 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and this is called a multiplication statement. Now that you have understood that multiplication is repeated addition of the same addend, let us solve few examples to understand the concept better. First example, you can see 5 groups of stars, and in each group there are 2 stars. In order to find the total number of stars, instead of adding 2 5 times, we will write 5 times 2, which is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10 stars. So we used multiplication instead of repeated addition to find the total number of stars. One more example. There are 3 groups of smileys, and in each group there are 5 smileys. In order to find the total number of smileys, instead of adding 5 3 times, we will write 3 times 5, which is equal to 3 into 5. And we know 3 5s are 15. Hence, we can say that there are 15 smileys altogether. Now let us learn the terms used for the numbers in multiplication. From the examples that we did, we know 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. The first number, which is the number that is being multiplied, is called multiplicand. The second number, which is written after the multiplication sign, is the number by which we are multiplying, and that is called multiplier. And the answer that we get after multiplication is called product. Now you know that the terms of multiplication are multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Next, we will learn the different ways to express a multiplication statement. For that, consider this example. You can see 6 groups of cubes with 4 cubes in each group. In order to find the total number of cubes, you will multiply the 6 groups into the 4 cubes in each group. That is 6 into 4, which is equal to 24. Thus, 6 into 4 is equal to 24 is the multiplication statement. This statement can be expressed as 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24, or 6 times 4 is equal to 24, or 6 4s are 24. Now let us learn the properties of multiplication. Property number 1. Even if the multiplicand and multiplier are interchanged, the product remains the same. For example, 3 fours are 12. If we interchange the multiplicand and multiplier, that is 3 and 4, and write 4 into 3, that will also be equal to 12. Hence, we can say 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. Taking another set of numbers, suppose we take 18 into 69, that will be equal to 69 into 18. Property number 2. We can multiply 2 or more than 2 numbers. For example, we know that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. But suppose I ask 5 into 2 into 4. Is it possible to find the product? Yes, it is. First you will do 5 into 2, which is equal to 10, and then you will multiply 10 into 4, which is equal to 40. Hence, 5 into 2 into 4 is equal to 40. Property number 3. When any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 15 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 28 is equal to 0. If we multiply 3 numbers, for example 8 into 0 into 5, the product will be 0. 45 into 39 into 0 is also equal to 0. Property number 4. When any number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. For example, 17 into 1 is equal to 17. 1 into 94 is equal to 94. 318 into 1 is equal to 318. 1 into 4124 is equal to 4124. Before we end, we are going to learn some new terms that are used in multiplication. You already know the terms of multiplication are multiplicand, multiplier and product. The multiplicand and multiplier are also called factors, and the product is also known as the multiple. The two new terms that you learnt are factor and multiple. So instead of multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product, we can also say factor into factor is equal to multiple. We'll end with a quick recapitulation of the terms of multiplication. The number that is being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which it is being multiplied is called multiplier. The multiplicand and multiplier are also called factors. The answer is called product, and the product is also known as multiple.